Singapore, a city-state known for its urban density and innovative architecture, presents unique challenges and opportunities for modern house design. The Singapore modern urban house design is a response to the tropical climate, limited space, and the need for sustainability. This design philosophy harmonizes modern aesthetics with functional living spaces, integrating nature within the urban context. The facade is a critical component, often characterized by a mix of concrete, glass, and natural materials. Timber cladding and bamboo screens add warmth and texture, while large glass panels provide transparency and a connection with the outdoors. Sunshades and overhangs are incorporated to mitigate direct sunlight and reduce heat gain. The living room is the heart of the home, serving as a central gathering space for family and guests. In the context of Singapore modern urban house design, the living room reflects the overarching principles of integration with nature, sustainability, adaptability, and the maximization of natural light and ventilation. The dining and kitchen areas in Singapore modern urban house design are designed to be functional, aesthetically pleasing, and harmonious with the rest of the home. These spaces reflect the principles of modern urban living, emphasizing openness, sustainability, and a connection with nature. In Singapore modern urban house design, the bedroom is a sanctuary, offering a retreat from the bustling urban environment. This space is designed to be serene, functional, and harmonious with the rest of the home. Emphasizing natural light, ventilation, and sustainable materials, bedroom designs in this style reflect the broader principles of modern urban living. The bathroom in Singapore modern urban house design is a sanctuary that combines functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. Reflecting the principles of modern urban living, these bathrooms are designed to maximize space, enhance comfort, and promote environmental responsibility. Gardens play a crucial role in Singapore modern urban house design, providing a vital connection to nature and enhancing the overall living experience. In an urban environment where space is often limited, garden design focuses on creating green spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and sustainable. The Singapore modern urban house design represents a sophisticated blend of modern aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. It responds to the unique challenges of urban living in a tropical environment, offering solutions that enhance comfort, efficiency, and connection with nature. By integrating green spaces, using sustainable materials, and employing smart technology, this design approach not only meets the practical needs of residents, but also contributes to the broader goals of environmental stewardship and urban resilience. As cities around the world grapple with similar challenges, the principles and elements of Singapore modern urban house design provide valuable insights and inspiration for creating livable, sustainable urban environments.